want to get the Nuka and then we'll probably do some Thompson on it. A little bit more than yesterday. Let's have you come land your left side. Slide up just a little. Good. Yeah, that's definitely better than yesterday. Sit up for me. And on your back. You know what to do. Just basically kind of a standard adjustment. You may hear some popping or cracking with it, but that's fine. Just to release some tension. Good. And that's how you go face down. Lift your right leg as high as you can. Good, and down, and the left. And down. One easier than the other?
Not really.
Okay. We're gonna go up and we're gonna